everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. In today's video, we are going to do a total room makeover. So the first thing that I had to do was order the furniture for this client. She told me she wanted a very romantic and adultish feel to her room. The color she wanted neutral, mostly with a very small hint of blush, and so I found the perfect bedding set. I actually ended up purchasing two and using pieces from each set to create more of a custom look. But as you can see, we were having a bit of an issue in putting on the bed skirt because she had the Sleep Number mattress, and that mattress did not allow for us to slide it completely underneath the bed. So with a quick little MAKEOVER touch, I decided to cut around the center and then just put the bed skirt around the outskirts of the mattress. So yeah, I had to do a little bit of a rigging there, but I had only 2 hours to get the bedroom together, so I had to work quickly. I did the bathroom as well. So we cut the entire center out of the bed skirt, and then once we got the center cut out, we were able to affix it around the bottom of the bed. Now, when I typically place a bed skirt on a bed, I would go like from the bottom to the top. I used to remove the entire mattress, and that was just not the smart way. But I normally work it up one layer at a time from top to bottom with two different people. So once we got the bed skirt on, I went ahead and I made the bed. I gave it more of a hotel plush feel. I did use 2 Euro pillows on the back, and I will share with you guys a quick tip or DIY for how to make your Euro pillows stand up beautifully. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and style the bedside tables. I absolutely love these. I got the lamps from Tuesday Morning, and I'll leave a complete list down below of where I purchased everything. The 2 pillows on the side, we'll talk about that a little bit more, but I got those from the Z Gallery, and they did have a very, very, very small hint of blush pink, and it looked so amazing with the remainder of the bed. You guys would not believe some of the amazing deals that I found on these pieces. So here's a close-up of the pillows, and as you can see, there's like just little hint of blush pink there. Now you remember the center part that I cut out of the bed, out of the bed skirt? Well, I'm going to use that to fluff up the ends of the Euro shams. I did not like the fact that they were flopping like bunny ears, and I know it's springtime and you know all that good stuff, but I just didn't like the fact that they were flopping down. So what I did was I used a piece of those that centerpiece that I had cut and stuck them in the corner in order to make them stand up. Next up, we're going to affix the curtains. Hobby Lobby had some amazing deals on their curtain rods, and I'm sure that sale is still going on as long as the supply is available, or as long as the supply will last. And so I am going to put just a hint of bling on the curtain rods on the end, and I'm hanging up the curtains, and they have like all 3 shades of that taupish brown color that I use in the comforter, and it turned out absolutely amazing. Now I went almost up to the ceiling because it is an apartment and I wanted the room to appear much bigger. I wanted it to have like a 5-star hotel feel, like a luxury, glamorous hotel feel. So I went as close up to the ceiling as possible. For the artwork, I kept it very minimal. When you walked into the room, the window and the artwork is the first thing that you actually saw. And I purchased this piece at Burlington Coat Factory. It looks just like a piece that I saw in the Z Gallery. And here is the finished results. the side tables, I picked up the mirrored picture frame from Ross. And the bedside table, I absolutely love these pieces. I got them at Wayfair, and they did an amazing job at, you know, delivering and setting up. I just think it's so worth the money. The pieces were very, very, very well made. These are actually buffet lamps that I put on either side of the bed. I got these from Tuesday Morning. They had just gotten a shipment in, and I love, love, love the height of them because I did not want the super small lamps because they sort of feel dwarfed next to the really oversized headboard. Now for the side table on this side, I just used some candlesticks and some candles from the Dollar Tree. The candlesticks were from Ross. And the lamp had a little bit of bling there as well. So here are the pillows. I just kind of mixed and matched the pillows from two different comforter sets. I shared that with you guys earlier. But I just wanted to give the bed a more custom feel instead of the bed in a bag feel. So the bed skirt came from one set. The comforter came from another set. The throw came from another store. And then the pillows came from both sets as well as the Z Gallery. So I thought it really meshed well together. The photo on the wall, even down to the curtains, that came from those came from a completely different store. But I love the fact that the artwork, it had just a little bit of bling detail that really doesn't stand out in this video, but it was absolutely gorgeous. And it also has a hint of blush. And then the curtains have like all three shades of the taupe color. And I got them from a completely different store. I love the bench at the bottom of the bed. It is so sturdy and it feels so absolutely great. So I wanted to share with you guys one more time the before and the after. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you this apartment bedroom makeover. It looks just like a 5-star hotel. She absolutely loves it. And next up, I will be sharing with you guys how I made over her master bathroom and the other spaces in her home. So stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!